Okay, developers. So we finished up the course. You've listened to a bunch of videos, number of hours on the foundations of JavaScript. What next? Here's what you want to do next. Go into the next course, which is going to be linked to here in this lecture. That's going to be the next step in your progression to come through our full-blown program. And in that section, there's a couple of things I want to tell you about now. You're going to be very prepared for that. You're going to be familiar with working in VS Code, but now it's going to get like a little bit more advanced. We're going to be asking a lot more of you because we're going to have classwork for you to code along with us as well. But you're also going to have exercises, little tests to put your skills to the test. So you're going to need to be doing that as well. So you're going to have the videos to watch, you're going to have classwork files to work on, and you're going to have exercises. And all of that is going to come wrapped up in another set of code files for you to download. It's a completely different set of code files. When you download them and put them in a separate file. In a separate folder, right? So you're going to have the Sabio Foundations folder, and completely away from that one. It could be side by side, but don't put one folder inside the other. Don't put the next folder of code files inside of the Sabio Foundations folder. Make sure that they're two separate folders. And in that way, you're going to have the best experience possible. As I've said before at the beginning of this course, and through the reminders that I provided, when you get over there, ask questions, right? That section in that course is going to be much more robust. There's going to be more details, again, more demanding. It also comes with a package with that course is the solutions video. So there's a separate solutions video associated with the next course. So when you have a question, you can refer back to the solutions video where we walk you through the answer and one of probably a bunch of different ways to solve or come to the solution, okay? So watch that, and that's totally, if you find yourself going through the original lecture, going through the classwork files, going through the exercise files, and having to go to the solutions video, and you still are not really clear as to what's just going on, you are still left with questions, that's fine. Come to office hours, ask the question in Slack. That's totally fine for you to be in that position. And that's why we're here to help you, connect the dots. We want to engage with you. We want you to engage with us. We want you to start sharpening, continue sharpening the skill of learning how to ask questions. In fact, just the skill of asking questions and then learning how to ask better questions, all right? Just better questions. No such thing as a bad question. If all you got is, I don't even know what question to ask, if that's your question, if that's your statement, that's perfectly fine. That's perfectly welcome. So jump over to that other course. And if you have any questions about anything, as always, reach out to myself or to one of the other staff members about what you should be doing. And if there's anything specific that we need to be doing to help you along that isn't necessarily what you see here in our lectures. Thank you very much for taking this course. I look forward to seeing you in Slack. Look forward to seeing you in office hours, and good luck. Oh, and one more thing. If you have any feedback whatsoever that you haven't provided to us directly, again, via Slack or office hours, Zoom, phone call, if you have any feedback whatsoever on this course, please do send it along. It's really important for us. Just like it's important for everybody to ask questions, it's important for us to get some feedback about the course, the material. Whatever it is that you'd like to say, we really want to hear it. We really appreciate it. Especially if it falls along the lines of you have something that you would like to point out that needs improvement. We'd really appreciate it if you send out that information for us. Thank you again, and again, good luck.